Ever wondered why some books soar to bestseller status while others languish in obscurity on Amazon? The secret lies in three powerful yet surprisingly simple strategies that can skyrocket your book sales on Amazon. Today, I'll unveil these hidden gems that could transform your publishing journey from struggle to success in minutes. The first tactic is known as the author authority jumpstart. This is a story about William. William is a passionate gardener with a knack for creating how-to books. Frustrated with his slow book sales, William discovered the author authority jumpstart strategy, which changed everything for him. William knew he needed to establish clarity within his niche to stand out, so he identified specific topics within his expertise, which is urban gardening and sustainable living, that resonated with eco-conscious readers. William developed a unique persona and a voice by defining his values, mission, and key attributes, creating a brand that connected deeply with his audience. William then built a strong online presence. He optimized his social media profiles and started engaging with his audience through valuable content. This set the stage for his first big move, publishing his initial book, which focused on urban gardening tips. You see, by positioning himself as an author, he established credibility in his niche. Promotion was key to William's strategy. He utilized social media to increase visibility and attract his target audience, and the results were remarkable. With his book gaining traction, William expanded his book series, diving deeper into sustainable living, which further established his authority. William didn't stop there though. He knew the importance of fostering relationships with his audience. William would update his content on a regular basis and explore new publishing formats. William's journey shows how defining your niche, building a stronger personal brand, and engaging with your community can establish you as an authority in your field. The steps that William took to carve out his unique space within the market should be used as a guidance for you to carve out a unique space within the market. If you're finding these insights valuable and you want to dive deeper into mastering Amazon KDP, click the link in the top of the description to check out my course on Udemy, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Now, let's move on to our next story. This tactic is about leveraging influencers to boost your book sales. This is the story of David. David was struggling to get his children's coloring books noticed. That's when he stumbled upon the Amazon influencer strategy. David started by defining his book's target audience, which was parents and educators looking for engaging coloring books for kids. And then he searched for influencers who specialize in this genre. He then used the Fiverr website to find influencers who had positive reviews. Once agreements were in place, David provided the influencers with the copy of his book and a detailed script for the review. David's plan was meticulous. He scripted the reviews, ensuring they highlighted the key themes and selling points of his coloring book. Then the influencer posted the video review on their Amazon influencer pages. Also, this video appeared in David's listing in the video for this product section, which serves as a valuable piece of social proof. You see, these influencer videos are especially powerful because they show the physical form of the book, allowing potential buyers to see what the book looks like in real life. This visual element adds an extra level of authenticity and appeal. Additionally, these videos stay on your listing forever, meaning these reviews will continue to provide social proof indefinitely. Also, this influencer video is on the page of the Amazon influencer, so you're leveraging their established audience. Also, there's a lot of Amazon influencers that have YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok channels. So depending on what you negotiate with them, you can leverage their audiences and expand your reach. Also, what I find interesting is on there's an earns commission sign that appears on these Amazon influencer page. And even though that's plain to see that the person making a video will earn commission from the sale of the book, what it does, it adds a layer of authenticity to the review, making it more persuasive. David's success highlights the importance of influencer collaborations. By scripting reviews and leveraging influencer platforms, you can enhance your book's credibility and reach potential readers effectively. Finally, let's explore a unique strategy that's all about making headlines. Enter the story of Robert, who mastered the poll to press strategy. You see, Robert is an aspiring self-help author who was struggling to gain traction. Then he discovered the power of the poll to press strategy. a method that turned his book into a must-read. Robert started by creating a poll focused on a topic related to his book, how people stay motivated. He crafted engaging, thought-provoking questions and set up the poll on the website SurveyMonkey. Without an existing audience, Robert distributed his poll by joining relevant online communities. He took part in forums, Facebook groups, and Reddit communities related to self-help and motivation. Also, he used popular social media hashtags and collaborated with influencers to extend his reach. Once he had gathered enough responses, Robert analysed the data, looked for significant trends and surprising insights. He compiled the results into a visually appealing report with charts and graphs. Then, Robert took it a further step. He wrote an entire article based on the poll's results, ensuring it was newsworthy and compelling. From the results of that poll, Robert could justify the catchy headline for this article. Robert's headline was titled, "The Reason Why Some People Have All the Luck." The article delved into how perseverance and mindset could create your own luck. He strategically framed his book as the how-to guide for creating your own luck, positioning it as the solution within the article. Knowing that most journalists are freelancers, constantly on the lookout for interesting stories to meet their deadlines, Robert identified writers using Twitter, X hashtag, which is hashtag journal request. He reached out with a personalized message offering his pre-written article and the exclusive poll report. You see, this approach made it easy for journalists to meet their deadlines as they all had material ready to go. His message would sound something like this. "Hi, I'm Robert, author of the book XYZ123, for example. I recently conducted a poll on how people stay motivated and the results are fascinating. I've written an article titled, 'The Reason Why Some People Have All the Luck,' which delves into creating your own luck through perseverance. I'd love to share the full report and article with you. It could make for a compelling piece that meets your upcoming deadline. Could you include a link to my book in your publication? All the best, Robert." You see, this strategy paid off for Robert. One journalist published his article, complete with a link to his book. Robert promoted the resulting articles on his social media, encouraging his audience to engage with and share the findings. He used the initial media buzz to pitch the story to additional outlets, leveraging the coverage to gain even more attention. You see, Robert's story demonstrates the effectiveness of creating engaging posts and leveraging media coverage. By providing journalists with everything they need, authors can strategically embed their book as a solution and drive sales. You see, as a self-published author, you can replicate this approach and create a buzz and gain media attention. Each of these stories illustrate a unique, effective tactic for boosting book sales on Amazon KDP. Whether it's building your authority, collaborating with influencers, or creating headline-worthy content, these strategies can help you achieve your publishing goals. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. So, what unconventional tactic have you tried or considered for boosting your book sales on Amazon? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time.